Hi, does the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G have a built-in screen recorder? So let's check together. I'm gonna swipe down 2 times to open my control panel, and usually you can see this feature here. So let's swipe left to go to the second page, and I don't see it. Let's tap pen icon, choose to edit full control center and find it in available buttons maybe. But no, we don't have such feature. So unfortunately, this phone does not come with a built-in screen recorder like some other Samsung models. So to screen record on this device, you'll need to install a third-party app. I suggest you to use this AZ Screen Recorder. So once installed, you'll need to grant some permissions for audio and video recording, and you can use the floating icon to start and stop recordings easily. Let me show you. So this button appears on the screen. I can just tap it, tap camera icon, and choose to start the recording right now. And after 3 seconds countdown, it would be started. Here you should see the time. You can move this floating button anywhere across the screen. You can pause recording, stop it, and use this toolbox to take a screenshot, open camera, use brush and magic button. And all of your recordings will be saved to your gallery. So let's check it. And yep, I can see it. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.